Right guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on a feature on your iPhone that is called sound recognition. So what it does on your iPhone is that if your iPhone detects some sound, for example a doorbell, it notifies you by, hey, I just recognized a sound that sounds like a doorbell. And overall there are lots and lots of different sounds that your iPhone can recognize. Okay, so first of all we need to go to the settings application. Now here you want to go slightly down to find this accessibility tab. Now tap on it once. Now if you go a little bit down you will find this hearing section, and in this hearing section you need to find this sound recognition tab. Tap on it once. Now we need to switch it on. Now let it download the 26 megabytes on your iPhone and then go to the sounds tab. Now here you can just turn on any kind of sound you like it to recognize. For example, the door knock, doorbell, car horn. It is especially useful if you're using your headphones all the time and you can't be bothered by these sounds in your apartment, for example, and you just want to have a peaceful music listening session, for example, while your iPhone does the job of notifying you if somebody's breaking your door, or for example your kettle is on, or for example the water running for some reason. You can just turn it on. Now when this is done, for example you chose the car horn, you turn it on, and then you can also choose the alert tone, which is basically the sound it will provide you with the notification. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.